In the early 1930s, Germany needed a new gun. Cheap, reliable, easy to make. No one expected a revolution. It was just another machine gun project.
Most armies separated roles. Light machine guns, heavy machine guns. Germany ignored that idea. They wanted one weapon for every job, everywhere. This was a bold gamble. The result was the MG-34. Air-cooled, belt-fed, fast-firing. It could be carried, or mounted, or vehicle-fitted. One gun, many roles. The MG-34 fired incredibly fast, over 800 rounds per minute. Enemies thought there were many guns. There weren't, just one. Firepower multiplied instantly.
The gun was advanced, too advanced. Precision parts took time to make. Mud and dust caused jams. In war, perfection slows production. Germany needed something simpler. Germany simplified the design. Stamped steel, fewer parts, faster production. The MG-42 was born. It was cheaper, stronger, even faster. The MG-42 fired at 1,200 rounds per minute. It didn't sound like gunfire. It sounded like ripping cloth. Allied soldiers remembered the noise. They called it terrifying. After the war, the lesson was clear. One gun, many roles. Nations copied the idea. The US, the Soviets, NATO forces. The template was set. Modern machine guns still follow the pattern. General purpose, belt-fed, high rate of fire. The German idea never died. It evolved. It cost about $100 to make, yet it changed warfare. The gun wasn't flashy. It was smart. Germany didn't invent firepower. They organized it, and the world copied the result.